Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up QuickBooks Online to track income and expenses, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the QuickBooks Online website. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Enter your email address and create a password. Fill in your business name, industry, and business type when prompted. Provide your business address and select your country. Confirm your phone number to link your account for security purposes. Once you complete the setup, you will be directed to the QuickBooks Online dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main interface and key features. Navigate to the Settings icon in the top right corner. Select the Account and Settings option from the drop-down menu. Go to the Billing and Subscription tab to choose your subscription plan. Follow the prompts to set up your billing information. Next, return to the Settings menu and click on the Chart of Accounts option. Click on the New button to add accounts for tracking income and expenses. Select appropriate account types, such as Income for Revenue and Expenses for Costs. Fill in the necessary details like account name and description. Save each new account as you create it. Now, go back to the dashboard and select Transactions from the left sidebar. Here, you can link your bank accounts for automatic transaction downloads. Click on the Connect Account button and follow the prompts to link your bank. Once linked, QuickBooks will import your transactions automatically. Next, navigate to the Expenses tab to categorize your transactions. Review each transaction regularly for accurate categorization. For income tracking, select the Sales tab in the left sidebar. Use the Create Invoice feature to bill customers and track payments. Enter customer details, service/product sold, and payment terms in the invoice. Save and send the invoice directly through QuickBooks. To track payments, navigate back to the Sales tab. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.